Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe from the Konkani cuisine, Gabbya Tambali. This is nothing but banana stem or plantain stem chutney. To prepare this, firstly we will be taking a medium sized banana stem or plantain stem and chopping them into thin slices. While chopping into thin slices, you can get some excess fiber out of it, roll it with your finger and discard it immediately. Now chop further into fine pieces and immediately transfer into a bowl full of water to avoid discoloration. Next, take a mixer and into that add 1 cup of finely chopped banana stem, 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut, a small piece of tamarind. Since I did not have tamarind here, I have added sun-dried star fruit into this. You can add any of this to add sourness to your chutney. Add 2 to 3 green chili finely chopped and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and little water and grind until your fine tamboli is ready. Now add salt as per taste and mix everything well. Next, take a kadai and into that add 1 to 2 tablespoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 to 3 dried chili and few curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Transfer the tambali into a serving dish and add the prepared tempering into it. Now your delicious Gabbya Tambali is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with idli, dosa or even rice. So do try the simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.